Hey tubers, I know Alex here. How you guys doing? This here is a flashlight review. This is for the UltraFire. It's a CREE Q5, as you can see right there, Cree. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not 100% sure on that. I bought this off of eBay. I only paid $5.15 for this flashlight. And first impressions is it's made pretty good. It's lightweight, made out of metal. I believe it's aluminum. Has a nice button feel. Right here, it's made out of rubber. Excuse me. The lens is kind of, as you can see, it's like that. It's like a bubble, I guess. I don't know what you would say. It also features a telescoping, so you can go wide lens or very concentrated lens. It has 3 modes. It has high, low, and strobe flash. Has a nice clip right here that you can clip it to your pocket and won't lose it. And here, I'll turn it on for you. This here is high, right here, and as you can see, it really lights up everything. So let me turn off this light over here. Okay, that's turned off. But as you can see, it really lights it up. And that's high, and this is low, and that is strobe right there. So it really lights up stuff. So that's high, low, and strobe, and that's off. And it also comes with a feature of spotlight, so you can really concentrate it. So it's really bright, as you can see. When it gets a little bit darker outside, I'll take it outside and show you guys. But really lights up the room. And it takes a special kind of battery. Let me turn this light back on. Okay. Comes with a special battery. I ordered off of eBay. Also, it takes a AA battery. It will take a AA battery, but it should have these if the camera will focus, these UltraFire batteries. These are rechargeable. They're 14500. That's the part number, and these are 3.7 volts, 1200 milliamps per hour. And I bought these off of eBay. I got 2 batteries plus a charger. Here's the charger right here. And I bought the 2 batteries and the charger for $6 on eBay. I bought the light on eBay, as I said before. And I got those, and it's working out pretty good. The standard AA battery, I don't have one with me, but the standard AA battery is 1.1.5 volts, and these batteries here are 3.7 volts, so a little bit more power. So when it gets dark out, I'll take this light out. I'll take this light out, and I'll show you guys, you know, what it really looks like. That spotlight right there. So not bad for $5 plus the battery $6. So that is a total of $11 I got into this light, and it's very reliable. It comes on every time I click it. I've not really had any issues or anything like that with it. And it's really neat little light, and as you can see, it's small. Fits right in my hand. It's very small, which I like. And there you can see the LED, I guess you would call it. But I will take this out when it gets darker. I will have to wait a couple hours right now, but alright, well, I guess the next thing you'll see is me outside, so. Okay, we're here outside now. This here is high. As you can see, it lights up everything. That's low. That's flash. And you can see it really goes. Lights up all the way down there. Well, that's probably about, what, 100, 175, 100 yards? All the way down there. And you can see in the trees how well they are, how well it is. The camera don't really do justice, but it's pretty bright with the new batteries. But it really lights up everything. So, not a bad flashlight for $11. Alright, well, I'll talk to you later. Please subscribe, please leave a comment, please like the video and share it. Talk to you guys later.